Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise to respond to the question by the Honourable Member. The Kiwa Initiative is a multi-donor program by the European Union, the Agency for French Development, Global Affairs, Canada and Australia, that aims to strengthen climate change resilience of Pacific Island ecosystems, communities and economies through nature-based solutions. The initiative aims to combat coastal erosion and reduce the vulnerability of communities to the effect of coastal degradation and riverbank erosion by establishing nature-based solutions, which includes integrated infrastructure and planted vegetation, stone blocks with mangroves and Vatimi. The project will further help improve coastal livelihoods and build community resilience to natural disasters and climate change impacts. The Ministry of Waterways signed an agreement with the IUCN on the 13th of March 2023 as an implementing agency for the grant of Euro 326,000, equivalent to over 700,000 Fijian, under this Kiwa Initiative. The 6 sites identified under this initiative are Nakawanga Village, Vesi Village and Lingaulevu Village on Mali Island, Nasarata Village in Somosomo, Taveuni, Navola Village in Singatoka, and Navolao No. 1 Village in Rakiraki. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.